Hey there! Glad to see you back on the channel. Sick of digging through a messy center console or dealing with a cluttered trunk? Or just tired of always cleaning up your car floors? Your Mazda CX-50 deserves better, and so do you. In this video, we're showing off some cool, practical accessories made just for the CX-50 that'll make your daily drives way easier. From handy organizers to stylish little upgrades, you'll be amazed how these small tweaks can totally level up your ride. And the coolest part? Everything is available on Amazon. So if you see something you like, just check out the links in the description. Let's start the video. Let's start with a tidy little fix, a center console organizer. Tired of a disorganized center console ruining the elegance of your Mazda CX-50? Elevate your interior with a sleek, custom center console organizer. Made to fit perfectly, it creates neat compartments for your essentials, keys, coins, cards, and more, so everything has its place. It installs in seconds, slides out smoothly, and cleans with ease. With this refined upgrade, your daily drive becomes smoother, cleaner, and more luxurious. Experience the difference of intelligent design because smart organization is a signature of smart driving. Next accessory in our list is premium interior floor mats. Your Mazda CX-50 offers a blend of style and performance, so why not give your floors the same attention? These custom-designed mats provide total protection against spills, dirt, and wear, while complementing your SUV's upscale interior. Waterproof, durable, and shaped to fit seamlessly, they stay put and keep grime out. Easy to install and effortless to clean, they maintain your cabin's pristine condition no matter where you go. Whether it's daily errands or long drives, your interior stays sharp and protected. Elevate your CX-50 experience with mats that combine premium looks and everyday practicality. Next item in our list is a protective trunk mat. Between grocery runs, sports gear, and family outings, your Mazda CX-50's trunk takes a beating. That's where the trunk mat comes in a custom-fit, all-weather solution built for everyday messes. Whether it's spilled milk, muddy shoes, or pet fur, this mat handles it all. With its raised edges and non-slip texture, it protects your interior while keeping items secure in transit. It's easy to clean, quick to install, and made to last. Don't let clutter and grime ruin your cargo space. Equip your CX-50 with this trunk mat and enjoy a cleaner, more organized drive every time. Next accessory in our list is window rain guards. Transform how you drive in unpredictable weather with rain guards for your Mazda CX-50. These functional, stylish add-ons let you keep your windows slightly open in the rain without worrying about drips or interior damage. They also reduce glare from the sun, lessen wind noise, and keep your cabin cooler in warm weather. The best part? They install in minutes without tools and match your vehicle's lines for a seamless finish. Whether you're dealing with spring showers or summer heat, rain guards offer comfort, control, and everyday protection. Upgrade your CX-50 and stay ready for anything. Next item in our list is a custom-fit door sill protector. Stepping in and out of your Mazda CX-50 shouldn't wear down its beauty, so protect those entry points with premium door sill protectors. Engineered to prevent scratches, scuffs, and daily grime, they shield your sills while adding a polished, custom feel to your interior. These protectors install easily without tools, fit like a glove, and are built to handle everyday use. Whether it's your work commute or weekend adventure, your doors stay sharp and protected. Upgrade your CX-50's style and longevity with this simple yet essential accessory, because first impressions start when you open the door. Next accessory in our list is protective console cover for Mazda CX-50. Your Mazda CX-50's center console works hard and takes a lot of hits in the process. From elbow pressure to scuffs, spills, and scratches, it needs protection. That's where this center console cover comes in. Designed for a perfect fit, it guards your interior while enhancing the factory style you love. Built with tough, wear-resistant materials, it keeps your cabin clean and upscale through everyday use. Easy to install with no tools required, this cover adds both comfort and function in seconds. Keep your CX-50 looking sharp from the inside out no matter where the road takes you. Next item in our list is protective cup holder liners for Mazda CX-50. Small upgrade, huge payoff. These anti-dust inserts are a must for every Mazda CX-50 owner who values a clean ride. Designed to fit like a glove in your cup holders, door slots, and center tray, these silicone liners trap dust, grime, and spills before they stain your interior. They're simple to install, easy to clean, and completely reusable. Plus, they eliminate annoying rattling sounds from loose items while enhancing the interior with a clean, finished look. It's a practical upgrade that brings lasting comfort and cleanliness to every drive. Next accessory in our list is a roof rack's crossbar. Don't let space limit your next journey. Add roof rack crossbars to your Mazda CX-50 and open up a world of possibilities. These premium bars offer a strong, secure foundation for outdoor gear, luggage, and more. Styled to match the sleek curves of your CX-50, they maintain a low profile without sacrificing function. Engineered for minimal noise and drag, they keep your drive smooth and efficient. Best of all, they install easily and hold strong. From weekend warriors to full-time travelers, these crossbars are your go-to solution for expanded cargo capacity. Next accessory in our list is a bold front grille inserts for Mazda CX-50. Transform your Mazda CX-50's front end from stock to stunning with front grille mesh inserts trim. These sleek mesh accents add a touch of aggressive sport styling while helping airflow stay optimized. Precision engineered to match the contours of your CX-50, they install easily without tools and instantly boost your SUV's curb appeal. Durable, weather-resistant, and made to last. They're not just stylish, they're functional. Whether you're cruising through city streets or heading off the beaten path, this subtle upgrade makes a bold statement. Stand out with confidence. Give your Mazda that extra edge today. Next item in our list is Hood Bug Deflector Shield for Mazda CX-50. If you love taking your Mazda CX-50 on road trips and rugged adventures, the Hood Bug Deflector Shield is a must-have upgrade. This shield is built to handle flying bugs, rocks, and debris that can chip away at your paint and windshield. With a custom-fit design, it hugs your hood perfectly and installs without any tools. Whether you're hitting the highway or back roads, it keeps your front end clean and damage-free. Plus, it adds a bold, aggressive look that matches your CX-50's adventurous spirit. Drive protected, drive proud, add the bug shield that goes the distance. Next product in the list is a Windshield Sun Shade for Mazda CX-50. Say goodbye to scorching seats and overheated cabins. The Windshield Sun Shade for your Mazda CX-50 is designed to reflect heat and block damaging UV rays, keeping your interior cooler and protected. It fits perfectly across the windshield, no gaps, no sagging, and folds away in seconds when not in use. Whether it's summer sun or daily driving, this simple upgrade protects your dash, electronics, and leather from fading or cracking. Stay comfortable and extend your car's life. Next essential item is a screen protector for Mazda CX-50. Your Mazda CX-50's infotainment screen is the brain of your drive. Keep it safe and spotless with a custom-fit screen protector. Whether it's fingerprints, scratches, or glare, this protector handles it all while maintaining crystal-clear touch sensitivity. Made from durable tempered glass or high-quality film, it blends seamlessly into your screen, offering invisible protection without compromising style. Easy to install and bubble-free, it's a small investment that preserves your tech for the long haul. Drive smarter and keep your screen looking brand new. Protect it before damage happens. Next product in the list is a dashboard cover for Mazda CX-50. Want to keep that luxurious look in your Mazda CX-50 for years to come? A dashboard cover mat is the answer. Designed with precision, it protects your dash from sun damage, dust, and cracks without sacrificing the sleek design of your interior. Available in multiple finishes, it adds texture and refinement while giving your cabin a neat, custom look. It's quick to install and instantly elevates your ride. Clean lines, zero glare, and total protection, its form-meeting function at its finest. Next accessory in our list is a Gearshift panel frame cover trim. Give your Mazda CX-50 center console a bold, sporty refresh with the Gearshift panel frame cover trim. This eye-catching accessory adds a performance-inspired edge to your Gearshift area, instantly upgrading your interior's vibe. Crafted to fit perfectly, it installs directly over the existing panel with a secure adhesive backing. Choose from carbon fiber, gloss black, or brushed metal finishes that resist scratches, smudges, and fading. It's a small change that delivers a big impact. Add character and style in minutes because your Mazda deserves a cabin that matches its drive. Next product in the list is a window control panel trim for Mazda CX-50. Give your Mazda CX-50's interior a sleek, high-end finish with the window control panel trim. This stylish add-on instantly enhances the look of your window switches, replacing boring factory plastic with eye-catching detail. Whether you prefer carbon fiber brushed metal or glossy black, this trim fits perfectly and adds a premium vibe. It's scratch-resistant, fade-proof, and installs easily with strong adhesive. In just minutes, you can transform your doors with a subtle yet striking upgrade. Next accessory in our list is a Gearshift knob cover trim. Enhance your driving experience with the Gearshift knob cover trim for the Mazda CX-50. This stylish cover gives your shift knob a luxurious new look with options like carbon fiber, leather texture, or brushed metal. It's not just about looks, it adds grip, resists scratches, and protects the original knob from daily wear. Designed to fit snugly without slipping, the install is quick and tool-free. Whether you're in stop-and-go traffic or cruising the open road, this trim adds comfort and class to every gear change. Next essential item is a leather seat covers for Mazda CX-50. Transform the interior of your Mazda CX-50 with high-quality leather seat covers built for those who demand more. These covers bring a luxurious look while guarding your seats against everyday threats like food stains, muddy clothes, pet hair, and sun damage. With a snug, slip-free fit and detailed stitching that mirrors factory design, they blend right in without sacrificing comfort or breathability. Whether it's your daily drive or a cross-country trip, your cabin stays fresh, clean, and classy. Easy to install, effortless to clean. This small change brings a big upgrade in both style and function. Next accessory in our list is a LED grille lights. Make your Mazda CX-50 truly stand out with a sleek set of LED grille lights. These custom lights transform your front end with a modern, aggressive glow that adds attitude and visibility to your ride. Whether you're cruising the city or heading out at night, these lights increase your SUV's presence on the road while staying cool and energy efficient. The weather-resistant design ensures long-lasting performance, and installation is quick with plug-and-play wiring. No drilling, no hassle, just clean, bold style, and added safety. Next product in the list is a key fob cover for Mazda CX-50. Don't let your Mazda CX-50's key fob get beat up by daily use. A key fob cover is the easy, affordable way to add protection and personal style to your everyday carry. Whether you choose sleek leather or flexible silicone, these covers are designed to fit snugly over your fob while maintaining button sensitivity and signal strength. Plus, they add grip so it's less likely to slip from your hand or pocket. With various color options, you can match your vibe or even your car's trim. This small upgrade goes a long way in keeping your key looking new. Next accessory in our list is Gearshift knob button cover trim. Want to make your Mazda CX-50 interior pop? The Gearshift knob button cover trim is the finishing touch that adds flair and functionality. Designed to perfectly fit over the shift button, this stylish piece protects against daily wear while enhancing the overall aesthetic. It's made from durable, high-quality materials that stand up to heat, scratches, and fading. Installation is a breeze, just peel the backing and press it in place. Whether you're into clean chrome, carbon fiber, or a bold color accent, this is the kind of detail that sets your ride apart. Next item in our list is Bodyside molding trim for Mazda CX-50. Protect your Mazda CX-50's beautiful body lines with Bodyside molding trim designed to guard against everyday dings, scratches, and parking lot mishaps. These trims aren't just practical, they add a sleek, factory finish look to your SUV. Precision fit for the CX-50, they blend in effortlessly and install easily with strong automotive-grade adhesive. Whether you're navigating tight spaces or just want extra protection with a touch of style, this molding trim adds peace of mind and a polished look. Keep your CX-50 looking sharp and damage-free mile after mile. Next accessory in our list is a seat gap filler for Mazda CX-50. Meet the ultimate interior fix for your Mazda CX-50, the seat gap filler. This clever accessory stops items from vanishing into the black hole between your seat and center console. Made from high-quality materials and shaped for a snug, gap-free fit, it blends seamlessly into your CX-50's interior. Bonus? Some even come with added storage space for pens, cards, or your phone. It's a low-cost, high-impact upgrade that helps you stay organized, focused, and mess-free on the road. Don't let another small item slip away. Grab a seat gap filler and drive smarter today. Next item in our list is a retractable trunk cover. Looking for a cleaner, more organized trunk area in your Mazda CX-50? The retractable trunk cover is the perfect solution. It hides clutter, secures valuables, and gives your SUV a more premium finished look. This cover installs effortlessly without tools, snapping into place and retracting when not needed. Whether you're hauling groceries, sports gear, or road trip essentials, you'll appreciate the privacy and protection it offers. Built tough to resist wear and fade, it's a stylish, functional upgrade that makes every drive feel more refined. Stay organized and protected. Install your trunk cover now. Next accessory in our list is a trunk organizer for Mazda CX-50. Transform your Mazda CX-50's trunk from chaotic to clean with a smart, foldable trunk organizer. This compact hero features sturdy compartments that keep your essentials upright and secure. No more spilled groceries or tangled gear. Whether you're a weekend warrior, busy parent, or frequent traveler, you'll love how it simplifies life on the go. Made with water-resistant material and strong handles, it's built to last and easy to carry. And when you need more space, just fold it down and store it away. It's a small change that makes a big impact. Get organized now. Next product in the list is brake gas dead pedal pads. Upgrade the way your Mazda CX-50 feels underfoot with custom brake, gas, and dead pedal pads. These sporty aluminum and rubber overlays aren't just for looks. They enhance grip, reduce foot slippage, and add a performance-inspired edge to your driving experience. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway, the improved traction gives you more control and confidence. Plus, they're easy to install with no drilling required. Just slip them on and you're good to go. It's a stylish, functional upgrade that puts performance right where it belongs, at your feet. These were 25 different accessories you can add to your Mazda CX-50. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.